Namaskar. Whatever topics we are seeing under eOffice, there is one small topic that comes when we try to log in through any browser, especially when we first time go for login on any computer or laptop and we get one error message on any of the browser like you try on Mozilla Firefox or try on Google Chrome or try on Internet Explorer. So this video is for solution of that problem only. Topic name is given by me in Hindi and in English it is eOffice login browser error message. Okay, so now I will come down on this document and write the error message we will use to see. These are not actually related to eOffice, but I tell you what really happens is that all the browsers have their number of security checks. They help in restricting the users from going to dangerous websites so that it will harm our computers or laptops. Those websites may bring virus to computers, may bring malwares, may bring spywares. So to keep us safe, they restrict those websites. Generally, all the government websites you will notice in general, these messages will come when we access any of the government websites. Even though we write URL like we write for Facebook www.facebook.com, there automatically HTTPS comes before the URL. That is for security and secure socket layer, and all these are registered, but in case of government website cases, I don't know why browsers stops us to access those websites, mentioning that these websites may be harmful for your system and so do not proceed with this website further. Still, there one option comes, as we know that in our e-office case or any other government website. So these kind of messages you will face, like I have written the website is not secure. I will decrease the font size first and change the color to black. Yeah, it is now okay, something like that. Let to me one other message you will notice will come, not to proceed or not recommended. Okay, proceed spelling is wrong, manage it please. So in different browser different messages will come, but in all we will get one option like advanced option. When we go to this advanced, we will get the option to proceed further. It is not like we cannot go inside the website for doing our work. Then it is up to us that we want to access or not. Let me show you all the three browsers, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox fastly by entering the address of websites of demo website given in. So what it is my first, I'm taken Mozilla Firefox, I'm typing demo.mpoffice.gov.in and then press enter and see the warning has come, potential security risk ahead. It is alerting us as it is not a famous website, Mozilla may not be aware of it. Even when I click here, HTTPS is written, right, which is for secure, means security is there and we know that it is a government website, so it is fine. Here some stories also written that always you will find. You may read it more if you want, but as such not required. Here button go back, recommended, it is recommending us to go back, but we don't want to go back but to work, so we will click on advanced button. Clicked, click on it. So again some story has come, something about error that it is mentioned, something related to certificate may be expired or some issue with that, as it is a demo website, so maybe certificate is expired. But we need to see that what to do when it comes. View certificate is given above, but we do not want to go there. Just accept the risk and continue. So click this. See here it is continue to login. Just click on it. So see the login screen has come. So for Mozilla Firefox it is done now. So let me close it. Let's go to next browser. Any other browsers? I will open Internet Explorer here and I'll close this first one tab first. Now I'll type the URL demo.mpeoffice.gov.in and then press enter. It is also showing this site is not secure and below something is written that it may fool you or may cheat you, may steal your data. General warning message is showing. Give an option of closing the tab but we will click more information link where it is like advanced button we saw in Firefox, and in last option go on to the web page not recommended, but we say that we know this website is secure, and so we'll click on this link to proceed. So this screen can click continue to login, and our login screen has come finally. Okay, so we got to know that the Internet Explorer also that what we need to do, very small thing, right? Now I'm taking third browser, Google Chrome. Now typing same URL to see what happens, demo.mp.eoffice.gov.in, and then press enter. Here message showing is your connection is not private. Attacker might be trying to steal your information, so maybe attackers trying to cheat you. That attacker may created this website and you by mistake may be trying to access the website. So just go back, as it will not be good for you. So if I click the back on safety button, I will go back and I feel it is not bad website, I need to proceed. Then as usual click on advanced button. Here again some story will come that what may be the concerns with the website as we seen, but as we know we are safe, I will click on proceed link at last. In next screen I will click on continue to login button, and finally the login screen has come. So we have seen on the three major browsers. You may try with some other browsers as well, like Opera Mini or any other. Like if someone is using Mac system, then there will be Safari browser. And even if we will get this message, we have one way to access our website. But understand the criticality. You must not use these options for all the websites, otherwise you may be in trouble. If warning is coming, there must be some reason, and we should understand the same properly before proceeding further. So in your office or department, any government department, you have got URL or address of website, either it is deep demo or live website you are working on. In that too, like I type demo.mpeoffice.gov.in. In your case, maybe this login screen may get open directly. There are 2-3 reasons for it. First is the certificate of website is valid and browser knows it. Second is someone or you may have accessed the website once in your computer or laptop, and when you are going to access it second time, as first time these settings be done, so it is not showing any issue this time. Let me try again to open to see if error comes or not. In this browser only, I open I will open the new tabs to see, because I did not check it before creating this demo website. I just want to check here. So I'll open the new tab and I'll type the same URL demo.enter, get entered, and see here this has opened at the very first time. No issue, no error message, because I have already done the required setting. So until this computer will not get formatted, this website will work fine on this system, right? There are some other browsers related matter like history, cache, etc., which has been discussed in the what browser what is the browser and related topics in my that video in technical basics. You must see that to understand more about the browser. So let me end this topic here. Thanks a lot.